If our acid-base reaction is HF aqueous plus hydroxide aqueous going to F minus aqueous and water liquid, the HF is the one donating a hydrogen, so it is the acid. Its conjugate base is the F minus, and then the hydroxide is the one accepting it, so this is the base, and the water created is its conjugate acid. In terms of the species in the reaction, explain what occurs during the reaction that identifies it as an acid-base reaction. What identifies this as an acid-base reaction is the transfer